Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We're just here in hopefully will be the last section of this video series. I think this is episode 8. Apologies if I got that wrong, and apologies for the wind sound. So we'll go and investigate this. We've got traffic going around, so that's a part of the original wall and a bit further down there. I was going to start off down there, but it is what it is. So what happened is they cut sections out to make way for traffic. So what we'll do is we'll take this opportunity after this scooter comes and I'll cross the road. Very good. So I did a live stream out here and I did show this here. So we'll find out which part of the gate this is. So I don't think I'll be able to get up top, but you never know. So we're at the south gate here. So I think we've been to the northeast. Okay, so this is the south gate. I did talk about this in a live stream. I do believe in that live stream I went from one gate to this gate and a bit around, but such a beautiful structure. Yeah, there's been so many earthquakes and typhoons. Now, saying here the Southgate Tower was collapsed and destroyed in 1226, so I thought this was built in 1870s, so that might be the Taiwanese years, because I know I know some parts of the world they have all this stuff like that. So apologies if I'm wrong or right, but from what my research is, it was built around the late 18th century there. So yeah, the Qing dynasty, 1875. So yeah, I've been saying 1879, so thereabouts. So you may want to check out your history there. So the ancient town was collapsed and destroyed in 1226 earthquake. Yeah, they do have earthquakes and typhoons in this area. So we'll go for a walk around here. Beautiful structures inside. You know, they've got the original brick and remodeled brick. Obviously, they've had destructions and termites have partied. So it looks like we can't get up top, which I can't blame them. So we'll get a few shots from further afield. There probably is another gate I could go to, but I reckon I've done enough films on this, and it is sad I can't get up there. Yes, but we will try and cross the road. Really nice, and does have a sad history. So yeah, like they did have walls all the way around. I do have to watch myself here because it is early in the morning, about 7 AM. So everybody's off to work, taking kids to school. But I hope everyone has enjoyed the series that I brought them. It has got me fit, so I am going to try and cross the road. I've just got to pick the right timing. So I might be able to go now. Yep, we'll go now, Jezza. Excellent. Yes. So that's another view. You've got beautiful views in the mountain. We're running quite low on the battery. I've got other batteries as well. So it is a shame we can't get up on top of that, but it is what it is. I didn't see an entrance point, and here's some information, but that's in Taiwanese. So if you're Japanese, Chinese or Taiwanese, you'll be able to understand this. Or if you can speak the local language, you'll be okay. So here's a bit of structure actually. This is quite good, and it's quite comical. They've got a 7-Eleven there, so yes. And they've got the hospital there, I think, and some parking. Yeah, so it looks like I've come from here this morning and walked along here and then come here, and then come all the way over here. And okay, so this is where the fourth gate is. Okay, I might have to investigate that, so I could be back with another video, but if not, we'll wrap that up. I may have seen that the other day and forgotten about it. I don't know how I could forget that, and I do apologise for the wind sound. Hopefully I don't have to come back and redo this, but it looks like some termites have had a party in there too. Yes, termites. Yes. But I hope everyone's well. I'm very fit today. I've been walking, as you've witnessed in this video. Certainly hit the likes, subscribe, unsubscribe if you haven't enjoyed. Hit the thumbs down if you didn't enjoy this series. I'm just trying to bring some really good content. Hopefully I don't have to do a voiceover over all this. But thank you once again for putting up with me, and stay tuned for more adventures, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Hooroo for now.